Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's start our today lecture. So our today lecture here, I hope you can see my screen. So last time we was finished till question number 3, 2.2. So here are the answer of 2.2, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. So let's start from question number 4. This pattern is made up of blue squares. Okay, so here are 4. So each time he add 3, 3 and 3. Okay, so write down the sequence of a number for of a blue color. So what I write here, sequence of a number is 4, 7. So like that, you just write all the sequence, other sequence as well. So here, as you can see my screen, so first sequence is 4, 3, and so write like that, other sequence. Write down the term to term rule. Term to term rule is so simple, as I told you before in my last class. So here, term to term rule is he add 3. So what I write here, add 3. Okay. So here the sequence is first is 4. Okay. Then what next? Then 4, 3, 7. Then 13, 16. Okay. So 19. Next, I also write next to on 22. So as it is, they just follow. Okay. So explain how the sequence is formed by adding 3. Okay. Sequence is formed by adding. So let's suppose by adding 3. Okay, so once you add 3, 3, 3 pattern, so you will easily know what is the position to term rule. Position to term rule is so easy. Term, and that is, what do you do? What is your term to term rule? So right here 3. So multiply by what next? So what is your position? POS, sorry, SITION, position. So 3 multiplied by, if position is 1, so that is 3, but your first number is 4, so that is equal to 1, so plus 1. Okay, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So next is 7. 3 multiplied by 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So that is your position to term rule. So easy questions. This is the part of Harsha homework. Explain the mistake that she has made. Hmm, here's first pattern 4, then 6, then 8. Means the term to term rule is adding 2. Okay, no problem. So what next? This sequence are from 4. Okay, so every time, so the position to term rule is, yeah. So here the problem is, its term rule is term to term rule is add 2. Okay, but once he solving position to term rule, so he write here term, that is in actual she want to write like 2 multiply by position, then plus what next, the first is 2 multiply 1, 2. Yo, sorry, position spelling is miss, I write wrong. Okay, now 2 multiply position plus 2 multiply 1, 2 plus 2. So now it's good. Okay, so she's doing a mistake, like when position 2, so 2 multiply 4, 8 plus 2, 10. So this is not 10. Okay, so now this one is right. So just a mistake that I found here, this position to term rule, otherwise all is correct. Now let's check either am I right or wrong. Look at here, they are also writing the same method that I follow. Okay, so I hope you understood all this. Okay, now let's start 2.3. Use the nth term. Okay, so what is the nth term? The sequence that is given here. Whenever I say find sequence, so you write this one. Okay, position to term rule is this. So you can also write the position to term rules for nth. So it's simple. If you have nth term, so what you do, just simple, write here first term. Okay, so he say nth term, so first write n multiply by position. Okay, that is your position to term rule. Okay, let's suppose after that, if he said anything like if it's not start from 1, so then it's a different case, otherwise it's a different case. To do, you can replace the word position numbers as a letter of n. Okay, So what next? He said in the place of position you write n. Okay, so you can use this position, the word this position. So you can use this as a nth term. That's why he write here 2 multiplied by position number. In this case, he write here n only. So next time you are writing like 2 multiplied by n plus 3. Okay. So I don't think so it's a difficult for us. Okay, let's move 2.3. Okay, simple. First term is 1, so I write here 1, 2 multiplied 1. Okay, it's so easy. So I hope you understand this one. Let's start from question number 1. So here we try to finish this 2.3 today. Okay, inshallah. First question is 7. Sorry. Work out the first 3 term and 10th term. Okay, of a sequence of nth rule. So easy. So first of all, I write a number where I write here. It's a white screen for ones. Okay, then 2 and 10th. These are the terms I write. Okay. Now what I do here first. Okay. First term is n plus 6. N is 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Okay. First number is 7. Next is 2 plus 8. Next 3 plus 9. And 10 plus 6, 16. So simple. So the first term is 7, 8 and 9, and then other is 16. Okay. Now, as it is same, you follow all the procedure. Now, only solve h part as well. Okay, so here he give us like 4n minus 3. Okay, so what I do here first step, first of all, we write the same sequence like 1, then you write here 2, then you write here 3, then you write here 10th. Okay. Now, next step is 4 multiplied by 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So, answer is 1. Then 8 minus 3, 5. 12 minus 3, 9. And 40 minus 3, 37. Okay, so here are the answers. I hope all of you understand. So let's check either we are right or wrong. Yeah, we are right. Look at here, this H part. Now, question number 2. 2.3. This is the pattern made from pink squares. Pattern 1, there are 4. Pattern 2, there are 3, 6, 7. Okay. So first of all, he said sync sequence. Okay. I erase this all. Now I write here. Sequence is 4, then 7, then 10, then 13, then 16. Okay. So follow this procedure. Okay. Term to term rule is how many we add all the time? 3. Add 3. So explain how the sequence is formed by adding 3. Okay. So you write here by adding 3, how we will make this sequence. Position to term rule. Term. This time, as I told you, term, for the case of term, I write 3 multiply, not position. In this time, we write here nth plus 3 multiply by 1, 3 plus 1. Okay, so here is our answer. He said use the same method and try to solve this. Look at here, he is following the same method that I write here. So he said first is 4. Okay, so secondly, he write here what? Second is 2. Third is 3. And fourth is 4th. Okay. So like that, yeah, 4th is 4. So you are solving with the help of this. So you will get your answer. Like this one is 7. Here we will get 7. Here we will get 10. And here we will get 13. Okay. So I hope all of you understand. Third part, the pattern is made up of dots. So first here we have 5 dots. Okay. So then this one, so he say Hassan think that the nth term of the sequence is 2n plus 3, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 5. Yeah, he's right. Okay. Okay, let's check. Point this one. Yeah, look at here. Okay, there are a lot of reasons. You write any reason, it's up to you. Okay, so here are the answers. So I hope all of you understand. If you have any question other than this, no problem. Feel free to ask me. Take care. Goodbye. Inshallah, see you soon.